place.
Oh, where's the pizza? I'm so hungry I'm beginning to digest myself.
Maybe they can help me.
And I was hungry.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Yeah, I'm hungry.
They better have.
What is that sound coming from your stomach, Dad?
Oh crap. I think,
All that running took a lot out of me. I'm gonna need something to eat soon. Aha!
Let's keep looking. Oh, Cat, I'm so hungry.
Oh, my belly hurts. I'm willing to eat something tastier than my tears. Wait a minute.
My tummy is rumbling.
I'm so hungry.
You're strong now. You can feed on whatever you please. On one condition.
What? Before? So hungry.
Hungry. I just got really hungry.
Okay, I've never felt this before. I need a toilet. Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
Hungry?
You know what? I work hard. I've earned it. Let's be bad. Oh, I don't feel so good. Is it guilt? Nope, not guilt.
Oh, you're hungry? Take this.
My big snack time! Hey, man,
You gotta calm down.
did you eat all the cake yourself?
Oh, wow. Ow! Oh!
Do we have a deal?
There's no way that someone does it on accident.
What's wrong, Mario?
I don't know. My stomach. John, he's beautiful.
Daddy?
What's going on?
You three, you're perfect. The Make-A-Friend machine worked wonders. I'm so lucky I get to be your father. Oh, I know what that noise means. Somebody must be hungry.
Sky! I need chocolate! Wait. What? Bago, please! You know what dairy does to us! I beg of you, practice restraint! I hate you! I hate you! Who hurt you?
What's wrong?
Oh, no!
I love this show.
Actually, this show sucks.
Bago, snap out of it. You're just hangry.
In case you haven't noticed, I'm always hungry, and that's that.
Tommy, be quiet. I'm trying to sleep. Tommy, stop being hungry. It's the middle of the night. You're not supposed to be hungry in the middle of the night. Okay, Tommy, you win.